Extruct AI v3 is one of the most powerful AI software tools just released, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. If you're searching for an AI software that promises to enhance your digital marketing game, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Extruct AI v3 can change the way you do business, plus a few things you won't find anywhere else. So, let's get right into it. First off, Extruct AI v3 is all about automation, helping marketers save time and resources. It uses AI to generate high-quality content, streamline workflows, and optimize your strategies. One of the key features is its ability to automatically generate SEO-optimized blog posts, ads, or even social media captions that align perfectly with your target audience's interests. Whether you're running ads, content marketing campaigns, or managing social media, Extruct AI v3 brings a level of efficiency you've never seen before. But that's not all. One of the major upgrades in version 3 is the improved content generation engine. It's faster and more accurate, which means less time spent tweaking and more time focusing on your business. This AI software learns your brand's voice and tone, ensuring that everything it creates sounds like it's coming from you. It's like having a content team that works around the clock without ever needing a break. Another standout feature is its data-driven insights. Extruct AI v3 doesn't just generate content. It also helps you analyze how well your content is performing. It gives you detailed reports on engagement metrics, conversions, and much more. This way, you can instantly identify what's working and, more importantly, what isn't. It's this type of AI-powered insight that can really boost your ROI and improve your decision-making. What makes Extruct AI v3 especially exciting is how it integrates seamlessly with all the major platforms: Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. This allows you to use it in real time to optimize ads and fine-tune campaigns. Whether you're a digital marketer or a business owner, this integration gives you the power to make data-backed decisions on the fly. But wait, there's a game changer with Extruct AI v3's new AI Assistant feature. This tool not only generates content, but also suggests the most effective strategies for distribution. It analyzes audience behavior, trends, and competitor strategies to recommend the best times to post, types of content to create, and more. This could be the difference between a decent campaign and a high-performing one. One thing that's often overlooked with new software is ease of use, and I'm happy to report that Extruct AI v3 nails it here. The user interface is intuitive, and you don't need to be an AI expert to take advantage of its full range of features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, you'll find the dashboard simple to navigate, which helps you focus on scaling your business rather than learning how to use complicated software. Now, you're probably wondering, is Extruct AI v3 really worth it? Well, here's the deal. This software is not just for big businesses with huge budgets. If you're a startup, solopreneur, or small business, Extruct AI v3 has tools tailored specifically for your needs. Whether you're just getting started with content marketing or you're looking to scale, this software can grow with you. If you're interested, you can actually try Extruct AI v3 completely free. Just hit the link in the description below and get started right away. Before we wrap up, don't forget that I've tried and tested thousands of AI tools, and Extruct AI v3 is one of the few I'd highly recommend. If you want even more options, check out the other AI software I've linked below. Trust me, after using Extruct AI v3, you'll see why it's one of the best AI tools just released for digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.